Today I'm replacing the stock reverse light with this LED type with a projector lens, and it's a quick job. You will just unplug these Torx looking screws. It's not Torx, it's just some clips that you have to pull out in order to get this away. So just grab the head and try to pull it out. You could use a Phillips screwdriver to get it out. So I'll just grab it like this, wind it, and just pull it out like that. You don't need to remove every clip, but I'll remove 3 on each side to get the tail light. I'm just winding it like this so I can get a good grip. It's kind of hard. So you got one here, and also, let's see if you can see it, yeah, and one right there. And what you do next is you grab something to pry with, and I got these plastic tools that I recommend. You just pull it down, and then you can see the lighting right there. Oops. Don't break this. You don't need to do that. As I was saying, you don't have to break the liner as I did. You'll just unscrew this one like so, and then you can pull back the liner. And over here you got one clip on each side, so you just pull it towards each other and just pull it down, and then you can reach the tail light. And I'm going to change the reverse light, so it's this one. I'm going to replace this one. Just pull it out, and there you go. Replace this one with my new tail light. And now you have to make sure that it's the right way. If it doesn't light up when you put it in reverse, you need to turn it 180 degrees. That will work. Yeah, and then you just put everything together. It's not that hard, so hope you liked the video.